Hello and welcome to DevCast Ops. It is just me and Wale again tonight. James is back in the country, but he is feeling a little bit tired after traveling all day, so he's taken the evening off. So you've got the two of us to carry on from where we left off last time, which was essentially Ansible did not trust Vault. So hopefully this evening we will be fixing that and getting Ansible to trust Vault, and then goodness knows where we'll go from there, depending on how quick the fix is. We might have to think of something else to do. You still have that to-do list, right?
Yeah. So here's the thing: we managed to get the padlock right. That was the aim from last time, so that was good. But because Ansible doesn't trust our certs, it turns out that it doesn't trust the cert because Python doesn't use the Mac certs. So we need to make sure Python is aware of the certs. So that's where we now stand. And for anyone that's wondering, this is the issue here on the Stack Overflow. We found it, so and it makes sense now as well. So now we just need to find a way of making Python trust it. Only problem is my local environment does not have it set up like this, where I can just go into applications, Python 3.6. When I do, which Python, I get this, and when I do which Python 3, I get this. None of this helps me right now. So I feel like the easiest solution would be this.
I'm going to try and pip install instead, or do it through the exports.
Oh, so you're not talking about this one?
You could try that
This
one.
one says install or install certified package with this.
I don't know if Ansible will pick that up though, so I think if you can do it through environment variables, that'll be cleaner.
Yeah, let's do that. Like here, right? This one was, but then I still need to install this though, so might as well because I don't have this installed certified. Let's find out. Pip. I don't even know which one Ansible is using. Is Ansible using Ansible 3?
I think if you do Ansible version, it will tell you which version of Python it's using. Which would be funny if it's a different one to both of those two.
Is it Dash or does it need flag or
Dash V, I believe. Dash version. Maybe dash version.
Oh well, why do they have different flags?
I guess V's verbose. There you go.
Okay, so let's see. Where's the Python? Oh, it's using this one. Remember the one that I saw earlier on. So that's fine then.
Goodness knows why your Python 2's from Anaconda.
But also, see, maybe I can get the first part to work like this then if I go to this part. This is where I'm supposed to go, right?
And give it a go if you want.
Yeah, let's try this part. So let's do it like this. CD. Bam. Hey, that worked. Perfect. But do we have an install? Okay. Install. Okay. Well, it's supposed to be dot slash, right? But I think when I do it like this, no, it doesn't know it anymore. Because this is it.
I wonder why they're trying to run install from a local directory.
Do you know what? This won't work, so there's no point. Unless I figure out this install stuff. Hold on. What is install anyways? Is it something that's in here?
No, that's just a program that you have. You could, I guess, do man install or install -- help and see what comes up.
Maybe I don't need a dot slash then. It should be fine. And also it's saying no illegal option. No. But yeah, let's just install like this then and just do like let's see if that will work. Nope. Yeah, that doesn't work.
Certificates.command. I have a feeling it wants your cert file. But that's not a Python native tool. That's a Mac Mac tool.
That's okay then. Let's do pip free in. Was it install?
Yeah, it's install.
Might as well grab this. Install. Oh, perfect. Okay, so that means we can move on to this part then. So this one says set path. What is the set path? Let's see.
There's the little dollars I was telling you about earlier.
Yeah.
To pipe things around. Optimizing your laziness. So there's where your search parts. By cert, ca-cert.pen.
So I should really put things in here, the certs in here, isn't it?
I wonder, you might be able to just put the certs in there, yeah.
But then, should I remove the one that's in here and then put the one I want in here?
I don't know. I don't know if it will read multiple. You could try putting 2 in and seeing if it works. If not, just leave it at 1.
Okay, so let's put 2. But then after you put 2 in there, you don't need to refresh, I guess.
You shouldn't have to refresh the shell. Python should put it up.
No, I think you need this one because this one is not changing. This is the one where you now give it your actual. Oh no. Sorry, my bad. My apologies. Yeah, I just read it wrong. So everything is pointing to this basically. Oh. Okay, so we have to put the set in here actually. Yeah, makes sense then. All right, let's do that. Okay, so where is the set?
In your local Ansible directory.
Yep. And then let's see. Yep, it's there. So we want it to be cp set into pwd. And then so should I leave it as the name? Because set.crt is the same, right? So I don't want it will override it.
No, you had ca-cert.pem was the other one.
Oh yeah, you're right. Oh, what am I doing then?
I don't know if you'll pick up PEM files. You might want to rename it to devcastops.pem.
Oh, okay. And CRT and PEM don't matter, as you said, right? So let's do devcast up, yeah?
Yeah.
.pen. Yay, analysis. Okay, so now we want to just do it like this, I guess.
Give it a go, see what happens.
I'll be shocked if it works.
Yeah, I don't have a huge amount of faith.
Okay, so now when we do project cd Ansible and then Ansible. So Ansible dash. All right, you ready for this?
Yeah, I'm excited to see if anything changes. Did you set Vault to HTTPS in the last run, so it might not be able to communicate with Vault?
I think I did. Oh, also, when we're doing the export, let me see. It's doing HTTPS here, right? So that's fine.
Yeah.
So that didn't change much. Hold on. What if we? Oh yeah, no, because as far as is it similar to console where because we've only specified HTTP as HTTP no longer exists, right? It won't be able to communicate through HTTP.
Yes. Well, a console behaves differently because I believe the console maintains the HTTP listener open unless you set its port to -1, whereas Vault will, unless you disable HTTPS, will only listen for HTTPS traffic. It won't listen for HTTP.
Yeah, nah, it needs to listen on HTTPS, so it's fine. Okay, so this solution was supposed to have worked, but Ansible's most relevant issue. Yeah, nah, this didn't work. Didn't work for me. Yeah, but I installed. Yep, that's true. Didn't work for me as well. So try so many things, but this is the only one that worked. Okay, so we have this one as well. But look at the version though, 3.7. So let me just go to the bottom. Oh, wait, hold on. Wait, I thought there was a tick already. Oh, interesting. So we didn't actually even go with the tick. Ooh. So if you put additional certificates in the PEM bundle, in the PEM bundle file, you can use those to write the default set. Oh, that means I should probably remove the other set PEM file then.
You should add the content of your. Well, you can remove the other cert file. Are we pulling anything else from a HTTPS source?
No. Please note that this file does not exist. You need to build it yourself. I see. But then ours is not even a bundle as well. Does it matter?
It should be all right. We can get the bundle if we need to. We just need the root CA. All the bundle is the root CA and the intermediary CA. So I think we get that body back from Ansible, if I remember correctly.
Okay, so right now then, if you put additional certificates in the PEM file, you can use those two environments. Okay, let's see what's inside that then. Let's use this side for it instead. CD. All right, so. Oh, hold on. Where am I?
Meant to be in certify, I think.
Supposed to be where we did the copy just now.
Certify.
Yeah. Oh, am I just inside package?
You're a level up.
Oh, fair enough. All right. Now, there we are. So the CSZ file here, cat. Actually, no, I don't know how big it is. CSZ. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay. So
That's nice. They have all the stuff in that. They have a comments. Essentially, you want to paste your certificate at the bottom of that.
Yeah. That explains it. That is good. Let's see. We should probably follow the structure as well, but for now, are we going to? Nah. All right, so we want the content.
Why don't you just copy it from the file that you have? I guess you can copy it from here as well.
It's a lot quicker, isn't it? So I just do that and then do nano just to be fancy.
Oh, you're a nano user.
But funny enough, I don't know how to use nano as well as I know VR. Because look at this, I don't know how to get to the bottom of the page.
It gives you the helpers at the bottom.
But it doesn't tell you how to get to the bottom of the page. Like, the other one where you just do Control F or G and you're at the bottom. Here, as you can see, I'm going to
Shift G in like less. It might be Shift G's get help.
Yeah. Wow, this file is big though, because I'm still going.
Will it be all the certs?
justify where, get help, just the right. Yeah, next page. Ooh, shit. Yeah, that I don't know what that shift B. At this point, maybe we're better off using a different
Alt/ apparently.
// to get to the bottom.
Yeah.
Nope. Oops. Where's my /? Ooh, what is this? I just did something. Look. I don't know what that means.
Sorry, I found something else. Open the file.
So on my keyboard, I have page down, so I've just been clicking on that instead for now. But
Control underscore might work.
at the bottom, by the way.
Oh, you've made it.
Yeah, we made it somehow.
You could scroll before I could find the correct answer.
Yeah, but still took too long. Let's do the same as them. Were there any gaps?
There was comments. I like how you scrolled using your scroll wheel after doing it.
Devcast ops CA set.
I think I have my iTerm set up to be able to scroll using the scroll wheel using Vim.
Oh, no. Unknown command. What do you mean unknown command? Oh, good. Imagine having to do this. Scrolling again. That is good. Hey. All right. So now that we've added that, we shouldn't need to refresh anything, right?
I don't think so. If you were using, because I don't think Python is loaded into memory like other services, so it's compiled at runtime, so it should, in theory, read all the bits as it goes.
Yeah, and now that it knows to go to the CS hem file, trusting should be no issue. No, unable to get local issuer. Why? URL open. Okay. Do you know what? Let's do this. Ansible config set. So the issue is not the default part. The issue is the certificate verify. Yeah, nah. I mean, this is the set. So this is the part where there should be music, right?
What just playing in the background as you gets like Benny Hill as you speed read
Yeah,
troubleshooting.
Speed read is the right.
You could put validate certs as no for a quick walk around. It's a bit annoying.
Yeah, if that is even going to work as well.
It should do, because essentially then it just ignores the validity of the certificates.
Oh, this is saying the same thing as well. Once upon a time, stumbled on this folder where double click on install certificate command. Double click. Interesting. See, this thing that we're supposed to do via the command line, this one has it in the actual folder. So if I go into the folder,
it's so long since I installed Python.
Python 3.6 folder. So in our case, we just need to do cd twice. and then pwd. Oh, well, there's no installed in here, but that version. Double click on the install. Will I be able to open that? Actually, let's see.
But the question is whether if Ansible actually uses the certify module in Python, because if it doesn't use it, then this could potentially be pointless.
Oh. So also, like, I don't remember how to even get to that stage. How to get to this application. No, yeah. Also, yeah, no. They're using applications. For me, Python is not even in there. I use brew to install mine, so
I can't remember how I installed Python on this laptop. The first time I installed Python, I just installed it directly from Python's website.
I don't remember. It's been a while. And then obviously I'm doing the updates as well, and I don't remember. Which is why I'm confused when I saw Conda and all that. I was like, what? When did this happen? Anyway, let me see if I can just do Ansible. Ansible is verified fail. 2017, 2022.
Guessing a load of stuff about creating CAs using Ansible, which is not really what we see.
Ansible connection for user when set validation. Yeah, but that's for WinRM. Export Python HTTPS verified to 0. Thanks for reporting. This occurs to the temporary workaround. You can do this.
That one for me as well. Have trust verify certificates as false in the Ansible play.
Which one is it? What's the command?
Let me find it. It's like trust or verify certificates. Oh, you might be able to do try CA path, and then give it the path to your CA. So there's a block in the URI where we could just give it the cert instead. So go to the Ansible code.
Yeah.
Code, and then in there, add under the URI block to do a CA underscore path.
Yep.
And then give it the file path of the cert. So // cert.
I think it's just one, right?
Actually. No, there's two because task TLS. You need to escape twice.
And then is it in the roles?
Escape roles. I don't know where you've put it.
Hold on. It's actually inside roles.
You sure? Do you want to compress roles just to double check? It's the same level as main.
Nope.
One more then.
So we need to get it to 1, 2, 3, yeah. And then cert.ca.
This might not work because of the way Ansible does it, but you can try this for now, and then if not, I'd get it and just do a PWD and give it the full path so you avoid messing around relative paths. I wonder if the path would be called relatively from where the file is executed, not where it's written.
It's interesting because when we were creating the file, I just put the name of the file and it went straight into the root. Oh, hold on.
Yeah, I can't find it.
Yeah.
So just try giving it the name of the file and see if it works.
Because that's how we created the file, to be honest. in here. See?
Oh, but I have a suspicion on why this won't work, but
what? You should.
you may be trying to put the certificate in the wrong place.
Oh,
because think about it, where is that command executed?
the main one is actually from the root. So
that Ansible play, it bundles up the Python code and it will execute it on the server that has Vault installed. It's not being executed on your local machine. So all of this faff is probably for nothing. We need to install the cert as a CA on the server.
you know what? Yeah, because it's trying to generate here. Yeah, this is all this stuff that we're doing is actually. Yeah, you're right. So that means on the server itself. I know. I think I remember there's a command for registering certs.
Yeah, let me have a
Linux.
look.
Oh snap! That's actually good.
So we've been messing around with this, and it's not this. Well, there might be something wrong with your certificate.
Status is generated from Vault.
Wait, do you write that certificate on the server already? It's already written there.
Yeah.
Yeah, just give it the path to it already on the server.
Oh yeah, because this is the local path, right?
Yeah.
But then we didn't get an error for it anymore. Oh yeah, no such. Yeah, that's true. So now, I was about to find out where is it on this thing, but
it's in the variables. You've got it written already.
Sure. No, I actually don't have the issuing one.
Oh, I don't have the issuing one.
Yeah. So we have the private key. We have the certificate.
I guess just write it in TLS diet. I guess we should put it probably in TLS cert dest and then write it as a CA.
Okay, so Vault cert juice. You want it in here?
I think that's a file from what I remember. But yeah, same place. Just write it somewhere for now. It doesn't really matter where you write it, just to test that this works.
All right.
Because this server isn't our permanent solution, so if we leave odd files lying around, it doesn't really matter.
Okay, so I want to put it load. Oh, hold on. So this is an interesting one because this needs to have created first. So once it's finished, then we give it the where to go, right?
Yeah, so we're back to our circular dependency. So we need to disable TLS again.
No, can we not just... No, because actually, hold on. Every time we run it, oh yeah, it doesn't generate it. Fair. Because it doesn't generate, but we already have it. No, but we don't have the actual file.
Ansible doesn't have it, or you could potentially steal it from your local source and paste it somewhere as a really temporary workaround.
Yeah, so instead of having to disable and enable again, so let's just do SSH. I think was it Wale? Yeah, there we go. And then it has to be Vault user, right? That has it.
It has to be readable by. Actually, no, because I think Ansible is running its root.
Yeah.
So it can be readable as long as it's readable by root. You should be good. Just put it somewhere sensible. We'll put it in the temp directory for now, and then we can fix this. Get this to run in a /tmp.
I am missing that. And then, all right, let's do VICA cert.
.cert, .pem, whatever.
Is it CRT or C?
It doesn't matter.
Oh, really? Okay. Let's do that then.
These bits are for humans, not for the computer.
Yeah. Okay. Just give me a second. Unless I'm not copying anything. I guess I wasn't copying anything.
That's fine. An empty file, I'm sure, will do great. You'll really trust at that point.
Oh dear. Okay, good. Good.
This is way too long to figure out.
So now we have this file here. So we just give it slash. Now, as you can see, it's quicker to just do this. ca.pem, I think that's what I gave it. Yep, ca.pem.
Try that.
All right. Can you imagine? This took us ages.
I reckon that'll be it.
I hope so. Okay, different error. Failed. Status code.
You took out the S, you silly.
What? I took. Oh yeah, I did. I did. Yeah, at some point I did. You know. Oh wow. I was thinking this is a different error.
It's a redirect error.
No, because when we were considering the different ways to put back disabled TLS, obviously, my mind went straight. Oh, remove, but then
just remove S. I'm sure that'll be fine. Unable to get issue assert redirected back to the same error. Interesting.
So HTTPS. Are we sure this is actually going? Actually, yeah, it is. It is, because now it's not complaining about this CA path anymore.
There is the validate certs block that we could use to get it to ignore it.
Okay, should we even try that, if that would even work?
Yeah, it should do.
All right, so what's that one?
So it's validate _certs, and depending on your YAML preference, you can do yes or validate certs, either no or false. Both will evaluate to false.
I see. Let's just do false. I don't think he cares about caps, right?
No, which is ironic because Python is capitalized true and false.
Yeah.
I was dipping back into Python to do a little bit of advent of code, and that immediately tripped me up. Interesting, even when it's not validating.
11, 19, 35. Permission denied. Status for HTTP error. Forbidden redirect. Dead false. Strictly. Clicks up the name. This time around, it's saying HTTP.
When you reloaded your shell, did you re-export your variable for the root token?
I probably don't not.
I guess you could just echo whatever you called it.
Echo. Was it vault?
Nah.
Is it that one, to be honest? Let's find out.
Is that what Ansible is searching for?
Export. Yeah, it's not even the same. It's not the same.
I think we call it like root token or something like that. in the code.
I'm just saying, even the token is incorrect. The token is trying to use, it's not correct as well.
Should really get in the habit of unsetting those once you're. I guess that's just your history.
Yeah. Okay. So now that we've done that.
Yeah, because when we were trying earlier, we reloaded the terminal to try and get it to pick up the certs, which would have wiped any exported
tokens.
But
it doesn't use the address. Right. So if it doesn't use the address, then we're good. Because I've also exported an address. Yay.
There we go.
So which part of it caused it to work now?
The validation was the bit that allowed it to go through, and it's re-exporting the vault token gave it permission. So the last error was a 403 saying it had permission denied at a path, and then you also had in the error that it's ignoring SSL verification. I don't know. We might need the full CA PEM file instead of just the intermediary CA on the server to get it to trust it properly.
Yep. So now back to why we actually started this last time was because we were cleaning up. I think we were done because the only thing we wanted to then do was this part here. And by doing so, obviously this had to rerun. And then
yeah, this is meant to be a 5-minute tidy up at the end of last week.
Yeah. Well, now we're back to where we were with 20 minutes left, but we do have the padlock now still. So, and it's still working good. I don't want to refresh, so I don't have to put in. Ooh, we've generated a few sets. This one should have a lot more. No, it didn't. That's cool. Anyways, that's cool then. So now that we have that and we're happy with our code so far, the only issue I have now is the fact that the set that we're generating currently, it's actually 12 hours, but we don't have any automation for this. So remember what James was saying, because initially this was 24 minutes initially, and that was expiring last time. So now the question is, what solution do we want to apply for this?
The correct sense, we should build automation for managing our certificates. I don't think we really have like a CI tooling at the moment because we're running Ansible locally. Our Terraform's in TFC, but I don't know. I guess we don't manage our certs through Terraform, so we can't schedule deploys.
No, but then this Ansible could run in Jenkins. We could just build up a Jenkins instance.
You want to go to Jenkins? Your first choice is Jenkins.
I mean, I was thinking about GitHub Actions, but obviously with GitHub Actions, we'll start hitting limitations, right? In terms of storage. I think they check your storage, and then this is actually public. Are we gonna leave it public? So it's just like,
Yeah, I agree. Certificates should probably not be run publicly, but I don't think. I guess maybe I have too much PTSD from just doing Jenkins on client sites that I try and avoid it in my free time.
Oh, then GitLab. What about GitLab?
We could run GitLab, all of it, but that will have the same limitations as GitHub in terms of free runs and access.
So
I don't know if
Jenkins might be the one then, isn't it?
There's better or more interesting sort of CI/CD tooling. I don't know does GCP have its own runner?
Ooh, that's a good shot. Let's see. It's GCP CI. Let's see. Cloud build serverless. No. Cloud Build is similar to thing in AWS, isn't it? Build stuff. Yeah, this is similar to AWS now. I'm sure they have their own CI/CD tooling. Just need to find out what it is.
Google Cloud Code, I think is what you want. It's a GCP DevOps. That looks like a nice and easy diagram to read.
Bruh. Cloud Build. They have a Cloud Build. This is what we want, probably. Cloud Build. Let me see. Actually, I'm on there already. So let's see. Cloud. They have Cloud Deploy, Cloud Build.
They have this GCP DevOps.
Continuous they have DevOps?
Yeah, GCP DevOps is a thing.
Oh, so that's similar to Azure DevOps, where it's a separate thing?
I would assume so. Just search DevOps in there and see if it comes up.
Oh yeah, let's find that. Yeah, right. Let's do this. DevOps. Nah, you're right. So it's something separate then. Continuous, but we can just use this as well, right?
Yeah, potentially. All we need is something that will run a Docker container.
This shows result of the latest build. So we just want something that builds. But does that mean we have to use the repository? Let's see. I don't want to use it.
I would have thought you could integrate it with GitHub. I'd be very surprised if you couldn't.
Stop streaming builds. Run sample build. Create trigger. Okay, but then so which one do you want to prefer? Do you want us to look into more the DevOps one or this one?
I'm trying to find what DevOps is. I guess I think code build might be. Let's try code build and see if that works. Yeah. My custom workflows being building, testing, and deployments across multiple environments. It sounds like what we want.
And look at this though. See, how does code build work? Here you go. Can I even? Nope.
You don't need to know how it works. You just push buttons until something spins up.
I guess for the sake of this, we could just start it with. Okay, so non-regional, right? We don't really care. Set up build triggers. How does that work? So, assuming it lets us pick a. Oh, there we go. Connect repository. Okay, let's see. If it lets us do this, that would be great. So let's do.
Call it test for now, or delete me. One of the two.
I actually like using delete me a lot, and yet I still get an email. Do you still need this?
You should put a date after it as well if you're being really specific. So because people see delete me and go, I wonder if it's still in use, and then don't delete it. But if you go delete me and then a date, they go. If I see if I see delete me in a date and that date has passed, I will just delete it. And if someone complains that they were using it, I would tell them they should have moved on and use something else.
All right, cool. We have it. Oh, must be unique with project region. Oh, that's cool though. All right, so push to branch whenever we make a push. Yeah, for now we can leave that for now. Manual invocation. That's yeah, we don't mind that as well. Source first gen. Okay, so now this is the part. Hopefully it's easy to do. Enterprise. They don't have an actual GitHub. Oh, guess what? I ignored the first one.
I think you're going blind, my friend.
Right, it's easy to just ignore it, man. All right, so authorized. Am I in the? Yeah, why not? Oh, will it not pick up everything from my GitHub account?
No, we'll find out in a bit. GitHub is not installed
on any of your repository. Install.
Oh, I think we need to install the GitHub app.
So devcast apps. All the repository. Yeah, we're fine.
Select one for now.
Why not? Vault with Ansible install. Okay. How do I? Oh, I set up this thing recently where it's supposed to.
I'm just going to take your screen off for a second while we figure out how to you to properly authenticate to GitHub so you don't accidentally share some credentials that you're not meant to share.
Nah, it's fine. It's okay.
You want me to share your GitHub credentials?
Yeah, I mean, no, it's just the code part. It changes every 1 minute or so. So it's every one. That's the part that you needed.
That's fine.
All right, so now we can pick a repository. Look at that. Are you sharing again?
Yeah, I've sent you live again. So
right,
no one saw your code, which they explicitly tell you not to share.
It will expire in a minute. I understand that. Yeah. You understand, right? Okay. Do make sure you read this out. Okay, so now
this is why it says do just one repository, so you don't accidentally share something that is more important.
Yeah. Why does it? Okay, main. Okay, we're good with that. I think that's what we're calling our branch, anyways. Main. Auto detected. Report location. Oh no, actually, it's the branch, but I need to change the folder. So now, how do we change the folder? Show. Oh, there is this it?
Yeah, a search pattern.
Oof. Okay, so what is the search button here?
It would just be Ansible, right?
Yeah, /Ansible maybe.
You probably don't need the slash.
Ansible, like this, and then they had ***.
Yeah.
But I'll just do that as well. Oh, included files filter. Okay, that's it. Are you ready?
I don't think you can hit go. I'd be amazed if it does anything because we haven't given it a build script, which I assume it would need.
It says auto detected YAML. Yeah.
Hit go, see what happens. It might have a link for Ansible. It might not.
Delete me. Also, that means the event needs to change then.
Yes, we should probably really would have this hooked up to a webhook or have it triggered for manual deployments because you don't really push on. You don't do builds on push for Ansible in quite the same way. You can. There is or a response to like a manual event there.
Okay, hold on. Run a sample build or create a trigger.
Run a sample build, see what happens.
Oh no, this is not ours. This is git clone and all that. No, create a trigger. Oh, that's exactly what we just did then.
I think you're out of the configuration of that particular run. So go into there, click on that. If you click on that, you'll be able to manage it. And then where it says event, you can below that there's or in response to manual invocation.
Events, there we go. Manual invocation. Okay.
Try that.
And then the webhook one will be later on.
Yeah, when we can get.
Okay, so now we can do run.
Goodness knows what this is going to do. It should.
Oh, actually, you know what I should do first? Actually, hold on. I know what to do. Push to branch. Because the changes we've made, they are actually, they're still main. They are still not online yet. So if we run this as this, it won't work.
It won't work regardless because it won't have the correct SSH keys, but.
Oh yeah, that's true. So let's see anyways. cd dot git. Did we create any files?
I don't think so.
Oh, we did. The set file. Do we want to ignore the set file? Yeah.
You should probably have your Terraform state excluded in your git ignore as well.
This one, I used it during my Terraform training that I was delivering. That's why that got created.
I don't have an issue with why you.
No, I'm just saying that I just remembered why it came up.
Why
and it didn't work. It didn't work.
TF state.
It didn't work.
What? In your git ignore, why don't you just have star after TF state?
Back up. Yeah, I could just do that. And we don't want this as well. So
yeah, it's ignoring the sets.
There we go. Oh, does that mean I pushed it up? No, it's untracked files. But then why is it still not?
Add your git ignore first and see if that unstages. It will remove the untracked file. Also, your TF state that's because your git ignore is wrong. You need .tf state star, not .tf state, because you've got the .backup is after.
By the way,
yeah, you may as well get rid of the line above. You can unstage files as well from a commit.
Yeah, but it's just shocking that
you just do git add dot. Your best practices are not great.
Yes, need to restore. Other one there. Okay. Huh.
Did you not read the -- stage flag that you need in front of it?
Oh. No, I did not. / staged. Okay, it's removed it.
Yeah, that's not an untracked. And you should probably add the git ignore.
No worry.
At this point, you could do dot as there's only one file, and you want everything to be added.
Yeah, git commit minus testing GCP build git push. All right, so that just got pushed to the main. So how do we now see the runs? Is it gonna?
I guess on the dashboard, you would have thought. Failed.
Okay, that was expected.
Yes.
Oh.
Did it say why it failed?
That's for. No.
0 steps. Is there anything in the build log? Has it gone log?
To be fair, if you think about it, normally when you create this, you have a YAML file that has steps, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just realized. Yeah, but I guess but maybe it's the same then, where we have to create a hidden folder with the YAML for the CI/CD, and then it will look for it.
Yeah,
we need to look into this then. We can look at it. Yeah, see, yeah, it actually says it. Cloud build YAML not found.
Do you want to try and? I would say maybe we can look at cloud build for next week, unless you think you can master a cloud build YAML in 5 minutes.
Give me 2 minutes. There we go. See.
That's definitely going to give you what you need, and you'll be able to absorb it in the time.
Yeah. So the question now is, I can't remember the name of the folder that it needs. So this
cloudbuild.yaml, wasn't it?
No. So with GitHub Actions, you have to put it in a hidden folder called something. Can't remember what it's called, but yeah. So where's
in your project root directory, create a file named cloudbuild.yaml. As you've specified this is going to be fun. It might mess with your Ansible YAMLs.
Do you know what I could do though? because the Ansible YAML is YA. Oh no, nope, nope. It is, it is. I was gonna give a different thing at the minute. But anyways, if that's the case, but then this cloud build is only looking for the Ansible folder. So yeah, it's fine because when we're running it in the root, we're running main.
Yeah.
So this should be fine. This should be all right. I don't see any problem here.
That's build,
So
and then it looks like it's taking a container, is it, for the build?
Ansible new file. Yeesh. Is it going into? Yep. Okay. So it's in here. Right. Add the first step. The following snippet shows a build with a Docker builder. Okay. And then project. Oh wow. Add more steps. Dang. Create container. Yeah, nah. But this is not what we want.
I think we might need to build a Ansible Docker container, or at least nick one from somewhere.
We have one actually. James would be probably proud of himself right now. We actually do have a Docker container.
Is it in a repository
Yeah.
accessible by GCP?
Yeah, I think so.
What the image is?
Look here. Let me. I can't answer your questions while I'm trying to think at the same time. Multitasking is not the one. What did he call it? Now that's the question. GCP based Vault, Terraform, on-prem base server config, on-prem Packer. Yeah, I don't remember what he called it. That's good. That's good. That's good. Projects. Runner. That's what he called it. The runner. And then code. All right. Okay, so as you can see here we have Ansible one. So with the Ansible one, this is how he was doing it. So he just gets it like this, and then he installs Ansible, and that's about it. But when I was looking into it, Ansible stuff, GCP. No, actually, no. This was for GCP. Yeah, no, don't worry. This was for me to be able to use G Cloud stuff.
Does this
But
get
this actually works?
Do you know if this gets pushed to a registry, or if you just build the image locally for use?
I think he is building it to a registry because I don't have to rebuild it. Yeah, I don't have to rebuild it at all. So he's pushing it to a registry.
It just goes to Docker.
Yeah, but we can build ourselves.
Yeah, versions, build, Docker push, registry, image name. Yeah, we can build it. We just need to link up the access from, if this is I don't know if these images are public or not. If they're public images, we can just pull them fairly happily in GCP.
But we could just grab this and just do the steps in there as well. That's fine, right? Because the way it's being done here, you get the Docker. Oh no, they're building it as well. Yeah.
I think you just use it. You just want to use a runner that has Ansible installed on it, and then do that.
Yeah.
Anyway, I think that might be a problem for next week. Something we can go away and have a look at.
Okay, but at least we're getting into GCP build.
Yeah, getting into more of the automation side.
Yay! Wait, we didn't even look at the cost,
That's a problem for next week. Enjoy that free tier while it lasts.
Yeah. Do we still have it?
I think so, for a little bit. Anyway,
yeah.
I'd like to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed us trying to solve our problem and then just ignoring it and sweeping it under the rug. It's probably that we need the full PEM chain on the CA on this remote server. we might have a little look and over the week and see if we can fix it. And if we don't fix it, we'll quietly not mention it going forwards, as it works. But in any case, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye.